Someone asked me to make a BTS slime and I really want to do this. Let's go. First I got a pink glossy base and added some hearts because Jin loves himself, and I threw in some blood, sweat, tears in there, a piece of butter, and of course I couldn't forget my army bomb, so in there it goes. I absolutely love this song on, and I had to make fire for Dynamite and fire, and Black Swan is so iconic, but I didn't have a swan charm, so I'm putting a bat. And then I made the BT21 characters Tata and Kuya. I love how this turned out. It looks so cute. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite BTS song is hands down Run BTS Now. It is so catchy. It's basically a masterpiece. Comment below which is your favorite BTS song.